Hello, are you interested in taking up your skills to the next level? Are you a teacher, a student, or a worker and would like to take some cool courses to better up your skills and experiences? I'm sure your answer is yes. What about your finances? Well, whatever the case is, that isn't a problem. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to get courses on Udemy for free. So, with all ears down, follow up the on-screen instructions to get Udemy courses for free. Alright, so back on our computer screen, let's open up our web browser and search for udemy.com. Now what we are going to do is log in. I am already a user, so I'm just logging in. So if you're new on Udemy, you need to sign up. Now the page open up and you can see this is the interface of the Udemy website. Let's check out some cool stuff that I'm already learning. Alright, so here are a list of programs that I have taken or courses that I have taken on Udemy. I have Python for beginners, video editing with Avid Media Composer, and then some cool stuffs. So how are we going to get this free link in order to access for free courses on Udemy? Down in the description of this video, I have left the link. Just click on it and it will direct you to your browser, and then you can sign up and then you can get access to Udemy courses. Now here is a list of courses that are available. Now let's go for a free course. I'm actually interested in learning computer studies, so let's go for HTML and CSS just for a startup or a demonstration in this video. Alright, so as you can see, there is a countdown for this HTML and CSS course. Here are the course requirements, what you are going to learn in the course and everything. So you can navigate to see if you're actually interested in the course you're picking or not. But for one or two reasons, I know you've actually made some research before you're taking up the courses, so you know what you are actually picking. Now on the right of the page, you can see it's free. You can add to your cart or you can enroll now. Now let's enroll this course. Alright, so the page loads and then you can see the summary. You can see the price of the course and then the actual coupon that is giving us this free access. Alright, the page loads successfully, and as you can see, I've been able to apply for this course for free. It's HTML and CSS certificate course for beginners. So you can actually take these courses and everything. Now let me refresh the page to see if this course has been added. So as you can see, I was actually having some courses earlier, and now HTML plus CSS has been added. Now you can navigate through this site and then pick up all your free courses that you would like to purchase. Always remember that there are countdown for these courses, so you need to hurry up and grab your free course on Udemy. If you really like this video and find it more interesting, kindly like, share, subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos and updates. See you in the next video.